guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Welcome back to my channel if you're a seasoned subscriber of the 202 crew, and you know how things go down here. You know the deal. So, I'm here today to talk to you about possibly one of the most worn designer sneakers of the moment. Everybody has them, but I'm here to tell you whether or not they are worth it, what they are really like, the ins and outs of owning them, and other such interesting information. However, before I start, if you're not already a member of the 202 crew, if you don't know how we get down around here, then that's going to have to change. I'm going to need you to subscribe, click the red button, turn on the notification bell. You know how this works. You've heard everybody say it. Also, you can see my bra. I don't care about it. Sorry, not sorry, because I cannot be bothered to change it. Are you ready for the rest of the video? I think we might be. Okay, so these shoes come in this box. So they came in this gunmetal-y, metallic-y, silvery box that says Alexander McQueen embossed on it. These were £360. All links will be below to help you purchase if you're interested. So it comes like this. It had a little card that basically said some boring stuff, and then we have a dust bag which just says Alexander McQueen on the bottom. So I love a chunky trainer, and these, ladies and gentlemen, are the chunkiest of trainers. So basically you've got this huge sole. It's, it gives you some height if you need it. We could all do with a little bit of height, even if you're 6 foot. Bring it up to 6'2", you know what I mean. So, this one is with a sort of rose-ish suede on the back. Would I choose this colour if I had the choice again? No, but they only really had 3 colours, and I thought, let me be out of my comfort zone. And I went outside of my comfort zone, and I slightly regret it. But they're cute, I'll still wear them, whatever. I'm not that bothered about this bit. So, yes, that is the rose colour I got them in. They have this very comfy, I will give them that. Round toe, very round toe. You've got the fat laces, and also they're actually pretty easy to clean. So I just use, whenever they get dirty, because they're white, they do get dirty, I just use Jason Mark, scrubby, and we're done. It's easy. You've got the fat tongue, it says Alexander McQueen. Now, they're great, they're comfy, blah, blah. The issue lies with the sizing. So, a lot of people have asked me, what size did I get, blah, blah, because these come up big. So I'm a 39, I bought a 39. And there was a bit of space to begin with, but I thought, with stretching and everything else, it's not going to get that bad, blah, blah, blah. Little did I know. Basically, it's come to the point where my foot comes out of the back of the trainers. Now, I still wear them because I'm ratchet like that, and I like them. If I bought these again, I would go a half size down. They do come in half sizes. These are called the oversized sneaker because the clue is in the name. So basically, yes, that is my only downside with this. They look great. You've got the all white. It's a great contrast against like jeans, whatever. Great for the summer. Easy low top throw on. Super easy trainer to wear, right? My only issue is the sizing. So yes, as usual, I shall insert a moment of me walking around in the trainer so you get a better idea as to how they look on the foot.
I'm back. Let's go get 'em, shots. Hey, 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 hey. Show me what you got, little mama. Show me what you got, bird lady. Show me what you got, shawty. Show me what you got, baby.
Yes, let me know what you think. If you have these, let me know in any comments. Also, let me know if you have any questions about them. Happy to answer. As always, I am at your service. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you liked it. Leave a comment, ask me any questions or whatever. Also, subscribe if you haven't already, because it's going to be one of the better decisions you make in your life. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.